3 o'clock.
Students at PSJA Southwest Early College High School are learning there's a lot more to math than what's in their textbooks. Dr. Sean Lawton, an assistant professor of math at the University of Texas Pan American, has been visiting area schools to show students the more fun side of mathematics. Lawton runs the Experimental Algebra and Geometry Lab at UTPA, where he and his students conduct research and develop entertaining ways to engage those in the K-12 schools in math.
We find that a lot of students don't care about mathematics, and we think that in part is because students are presented with the, let's say, hard and difficult aspects of the subject. And we think that we should be doing the exact opposite. We should be teaching them the fun, interesting aspects that, when looked at from the right point of view, are not hard.
At PSJA Southwest, Lawton uses balloons, paper clocks, and even the students themselves, so the teens can see that not everything they have learned in class is completely true. Andrea Cano, a senior at PSJA Southwest, says she enjoyed the balloon exercise and was surprised to learn that triangles don't always have 180 degrees.
It made me a lot more curious about math. Seeing all these new things that I never even thought about, it makes me a little bit more interested and maybe looking into it sometime in the future.
Her teacher, Juan Barrera, says Lawton is teaching his students to think outside the box, which helps him pique their interest in the subject.
Dr. Lawton's presentation is very visual, very conceptual, and I like the fact that the students are seeing it in the subject in a different way. So when they come into class, the pre-calculus material that we're seeing to a lot of the students, it's very new. So by having them visualize what they've just seen in Dr. Lawton's presentation and then coming over to our class, it's going to be very beneficial for them.
Lawton says he is honored to have the area schools welcome him into their classrooms to inspire more young people to pursue their studies in math.
I think everybody is capable of doing mathematics. This idea that there's a math person and there's not a math person, I just think is just false. I think everyone has it in them. It's a question of how much they want to work. And the problem with math is that it does take work.
I'm Jennifer Bergman reporting for UTPA.